Okay, this is John Salome recording on September 9th, 2020, and this is my homework 2 for VR, which is called A Bird's Eye View of the Sea. Now, my microphone isn't too good. Hopefully you can hear it okay. So I have a couple different motions here. First, I have the waves moving up and down in a sinusoidal fashion. And I also have a boat moving along the waves, bobbing up and down, while adjusting its amplitude based on its position on the waves. The second motion I have is this bird flapping its wings, and that's done with rotational motion. The third motion I have is this bird doing roughly a figure 8 over these two green points in the scene view. And yeah, that's my project. I think it turned out pretty well, except for these quaternions not working all of the time. But the bird does mostly stay upright.